Welcome, welcome everyone to Resident Evil 2. What? Never-ending rain. I have played this game a little bit before, so I will be starting a new game as Leon S. Kennedy, full-time streamer. Not yet, but I'm working for it. Actually, I would like to move this over. I think that is good. Okay. Oh. All right. How's it going, Travis? Yeah, I'm not full time yet. You have so many points. How many points do you have, Ellie? You have 71.8k? Holy shit. Thomas only has like 30k. Well, I don't know. Maybe you don't use them and he does use some. Why not? I'm still working on getting the schedule going. Plus, I have a job because I don't really have a way of supporting myself off of just this for the moment. So, until we can support myself, then I won't be full-time. But I am trying to keep my schedule going Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You can see the sub goal up in the top. Is to keep my schedule going. If that doesn't get reached, it's probably gonna be maybe just Monday, Friday. But yeah, we're like turbo gaming for at least the month of October. I've got a big thing going, and actually, unfortunately, 1 week from today, I've been planning to stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I cannot do next Wednesday because of work. So, thank you for the sub, Ellie. Now, that should update, but we are now closer to the sub goal. Very exciting. Dude, there he is. It's Leon Sex Kennedy. I wonder if he's listening to a song from a different Capcom game. But yeah, so for the month of October, I'm playing zombie games, and at the end of the month, I will be compiling all of them into a long, high-effort video explaining why I like zombies as a choice in horror games. Leon Dad mode. So, stick around because there's a lot more coming. So, I'm playing this on standard because my playthrough I was playing on hardcore, Leon Daddy mode. I kept dying and had to restart, and I really didn't want to do that. I'm also going to try and keep the cutscenes playing. I mean, it's going to make the game slightly longer, but I think I'm going to let them play out. You know, I'm making YouTube videos out of all of these streams, so I might as well. Hello? Am I going to talk over him? Probably. I got a flashlight now. I'm not afraid of anything.
Something's not right.
Now draw my gun. No, I can't. Oh, yeah, I have to go over here and talk to this guy. Hello? Are you okay?
Don't move.
Okay. I'm coming to get your bitch ass.
Officer, you need help?
Stay back, sir. I got this.
That guy looks funny. Yeah, I did have to up the price of hydration. I set it to once every hour, and it costs 1,000 for like 3 months. You guys turned me into a zombie. All right, that's all I need to do. I'm gonna play this kind of like it was hardcore, but without being on hardcore settings, because it makes the game easier. I'm a wide-eyed zombie. Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh shit! I forgot I had to go out the other fucking door.
What the?
What the? Holy shit! Yeah, I forgot I had to go out this way. Can I go? No, I can't get in the lockers. I love Leon. He goes, what the? Holy shit. Hello. No, thank you. I've gotten very good at this this section because I had to play it like 5 million times. That's not real. That wouldn't kill him in the game. That's not fair. I'm gonna hydrate myself without you guys even telling me to.
Yeah, I think so. Thanks.
You can thank me later. And we're safe.
You can thank me later, but give me a kiss on the cheek. Dude, I wish I was one of them. I wish I was one of them zombies. I love zombies. That guy's scary. Let's get in your car. Mine needs fuel.
Hold on.
Oh wait, that is his car. He didn't even fuel up. Home of Umbrella. Hooray! Dude, I love Resident Evil.
What was going
Great
on?
game.
I don't know.
Who's at half a tank? Yeah, I'm sure he'll be fine.
Wait, you're a cop?
Yeah. Leon Kennedy. You are?
Leon Scott Kennedy.
For Redfield?
You might know my brother.
Live around here?
No. Looking for my brother. He's a cop too.
Well, it's a good thing we found each other. I don't know what to
Dude, the sexual tension is so palpable. Oh, I like that rain sound though. That's nice. That thunder. Oh my god! This game is by Capcom! You think they gave her a red jacket because her last name has red in it? That's interesting because in the original 99 release, I think it was in 99, she actually wears pink, and it's not even like a jacket, it's a vest. I could probably skip this. Can I skip this? Yeah, I'm skipping that.
Attention all citizens.
I'm skipping it. I skipped it. I want to play the game more.
Take shelter at the Raccoon City Police Station.
Yes, fill us with zombies. But yeah, Claire used to wear pink, which is strange. I don't know why they gave her a red leather jacket. Am I gonna speedrun? No, I mean I'm watching the cutscenes. I just
No, they're survivors.
I didn't want to watch the intro cutscene because it doesn't do anything.
Has to be.
I don't know, maybe. I don't know if it's like a fun game to speedrun. Maybe I'll speedrun 4. I like that one a lot. And I don't know if I should do the 2005 release of 4 or if I should do the remake. Because both are really good.
Looks like we're walking from here.
Looks like it's time to walk. It's a hobo party.
More like running.
Ha 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 ha. Oh my god. Ah!
Leon, we gotta back up.
Leon, we've got to back it up. Throw it back, Leon. Please, it's for our own good. I know they're not zombies in 4, but do I like 2 or 4 zombies better?
There, get out.
Probably 4. I feel like the Resident Evil 4 Ganados have more of a difference between each of them. Like, I feel like there's maybe 4 or 5 types of zombies in Resident Evil 2. But in 4, the Ganado, there's at least 6, and then there's also, like, the Chainsaw Ganado. There's the ones that can burst with the parasites in their head. It's just more variety. And I think that's a good thing. Whoa! Actually, no, there's like 6 of the basic, like, villager ones, and then there's even more than that. Ah! How are you still alive? This is main character energy right there.
Claire! Claire, are you okay?
No, she's dead. She got burned to a crisp.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm alright.
just kidding.
You.
I got a lot of zombies around me.
Can't stay here. It's not safe.
Go on ahead. I'll meet you at the station.
I'll be there.
Okay.
This is out of control.
This is out of control. Very good. Astute, understanding skills, Leon. Hooray! I love this video game.
It's everybody.
It's everybody. They've all turned. Guys, I think I should be a voice actor. Especially for Leon. What the fuck? Are you kidding me?
There it
Just die already.
is. Station.
There it is, the trusty station. There's handgun ammo around one of these areas. I just don't remember where. Excuse me. Pardon me. No, thank you. Ooh! Why did that one just... I'm like a punched in the dick. Gah! What kind of police station has that? That's like not real. I don't believe that. Yo, no way. This is where, I think it's Barry, right? This is where Barry dies. When Jill sees him. Thank you for all the bits, Ellie. How many bits is... I can't even tell how many bits that is. 15!
Hello?
How generous. There's the handgun ammo. Okay, so we look at this, and I can't skip it because I said I won't, but ordinarily I would skip this. Oh my god, there's zombies inside. That guy, he's dying. If only I had the basic zombie notif.
Not good.
That's if for followers.
I found a way out. It's in here.
Bro, let them get way too close. Yeah, by default, that, yeah, you can't unfollow because you're subbed. I think it's for follows. Might also be for subs. No, because that would have shown up, wouldn't it have? But I really haven't changed. Oh, I can get rid of... Don't need that anymore. Okay, then there's some deodorant. There's a herb in there. Is there more deodorant over here? I swear there was. Can't be bothered. It's the shoe deodorant that they use in bowling alleys. Oh wait, I do have to go under that thing. It's been a while. It's been a while since I played the beginning. Okay. I pull the lever and it doesn't go all the way up. Oops. I don't care. I press F and it does the same thing as pressing mouse 1. Go ahead, Leon. It's okay. It's just ketchup. Somebody lost all their chili. Alright. Boop, 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 boop. And I don't have the fuse because that's in there. You got this. I'm not scared, you're scared. There's handgun ammo in here and a zombie. I think there's handgun ammo in here. I can turn on the lights, can't I? Hooray! Yeah, that guy comes alive if I run near him. There's something in here. Is it like a safe code or something? I can't remember. Dude, I got freezing breath. Oh, it's a Hantu. No way. There's gotta be loot in here. I swear there's always loot. Huh. Ah, that's where it is. Okay. And then pick this bad boy up. Ugh. I like that he takes all that time like hugging it, and then he realizes, wait a second, I gotta push it. Don't hug it. And then the women's room. There's a first aid spray in this stall. Hooray! And then nothing in that one. Listen to this music. That's spooky. I thought that was a foot. Alright. Jesus.
Open up! Hurry! Open up!
No, I don't think I will.
I'll get you out.
I'll get you out! Dude, I feel so bad for Leon. He decided to come to the police station on his first day just because he thought they might need his help. Like, he could have just stayed home. Maybe he wouldn't have been subjected to all this. Hang in there, buddy. You're okay. I believe in you. He literally was like, man, they might need my help. This isn't even, like, supposed to be his first day on the job. Oh, I think I saw orbs, too. It's definitely a Hantu. Okay, see ya. That guy on the floor is being dramatic. Probably. Oh, Leon. Oh! Oh my god!
They're everywhere.
See ya. See ya, bozo. Rip bozo. And now it's time to get saved by Marvin. Marv! Marv, please! Oh, this is just gonna be like that same dramatic floor guy. But Marv is better than Leon. Boom! Look at that. I'm a zombie, bitch.
Thanks.
For now until I turn.
Leon Kennedy. There was
He forgot
another
the
option
sex.
that could-
My name is Leon Sex Kennedy.
Yeah.
Take my bloody hand. Rub my blood all over you. I'll get you all dirty.
Good, Leon.
Nope, not really. He could have done way more. He literally just grabbed his hands and said, "Hang in there, buddy!" While he got his stomach ripped open.
But honestly, all you need to know is that this place will eat you alive if you aren't careful.
Yeah, well, I was supposed to start last week, and I got a call to stay away. I wish I'd come.
That's not how it was in the first game.
You're here now, Leon. That's all that matters.
Yeah, Lieutenant. I'm ready.
I'm ready for my first day on the job. I'm looking all spiffy.
That officer you met earlier, Ellie. He thought this secret passageway might do the trick.
I don't even think there is a secret passageway.
This is good news. We can get you to a hospital.
No, I am not.
Lieutenant, I'm not just gonna leave you here.
I'm gonna kill you.
Rookie. You save yourself first.
You save your
I'm
ass.
with you, but I just slow you down. Now,
I don't know if it's just like I have my graphics turned way down or what, but his facial hair looks fucking weird. It like disappears.
if you see one of those things, uniform
I will not hesitate. Believe me. Believe you me,
Run.
Marvin.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
I got it. People with blue eyes when you tell them their eyes look nice. You got it. Dude, I love Leon. He's so good. Such a good character. I especially love when he chokes Ada in the middle of Resident Evil 4, unannounced. Just starts fucking throttling her neck. I suppose I should probably open the files. That's quite alright. I'm not in danger. I am the danger. I guess he's. Alright. Lion, grass, bird. Lion, grass. I guess it's an arrow. Where's the bird? Hooray! I got the lion medallion. Yay! I'm so good at the video game, dude. Like, I can't even believe my own skills. Is that sour? Is that? That's fucking sour watermelons. Oops. Oh, dude, I don't know what I'm allergic to. I'm allergic to being good at video games.
Yeah. The passage isn't open yet.
Squeak. Time to get a herb. Why can't I crouch? This is so unrealistic.
Not how I imagined the first
This is not how I imagined my first day. Dude, that's what I would say if there's a zombie apocalypse on my first day. He's so real for that. I don't have any wood. I don't have wood. Say hello to Lasagna Face though. I like this guy. He's got Puschetti. Yay! There he is. What the hell? How do I... Ah, there we go. Oh, I was gonna cut him. You're mean. For falling on your own. Can't believe you would do that. Listen to that rain. That rain's so nice. Hello. Ah! And there's nothing this way, is there? Nope, don't think so. Time to run into a wall. Yeah, there we go. Look at all this ammo. We're doing great. September 26th and 27th. I wasn't paying attention, but I don't need to. There's nothing else in here, is there? This is locked until I get bolt cutters. See you later, bitch. No, thank you. He wants his candy. He's hungry. Gunpowder. And then, is this more ammo? It is. Okay, so this is, and... oh yeah, it's Ned. It's Ned and Mr. G. Ned and Mr. Oops. G. Yay! Hooray! Look at that. It holds so much ammo now. That guy comes to life eventually. Oh, you piece of shit. You broke the door. And I want to see if I can remember this. It's like 9. Oops, I think I fucked it up. What the fuck? You're so real, Leon. I agree so heavily with what the fuck. Oh, it's fucking locked. I forgot about that. Well, that's one section done. Shoot him in the ass. Shoot him in the ass until it falls off. No way that killed him. Now I have no ammo. Hooray! And I know all about that. What can I can do like 104. Oh, which ones are locked? 106 and 9. Huh. 106. Yay! And 109. Okay. And this gives me the film roll, which isn't very important. And this gives me more ammo. Yeah! Yeah, baby! I need the number pads for the rest of those. Ah, and the other safe room. And I'm gonna grab this first. Never fucking mind. Can't even hold anything. Store. I guess I'm gonna use that. Store that. Film contains evidence. Do not leave out. Okay. I know what that's all about. Because I'm a gamer. Medical benefits of herbs. Oh, what the? Why would it do that? Hooray! More gunpowder. I suppose I'll just craft that immediately. Okay. We've got plenty of stuff. I probably should board up that hallway that led here, but I don't care. She's got ammo. I think she comes alive too, but I can't remember. And then there's another red herb. And in here we get this is Cap. Shotgun shells, hooray! We don't need those yet. More steel boys. And I do need that. And this has a body in it. Hello. Yep. Examine. And then this. Okay, so we want. Oh, sweet. Wow. First try. Dude, it took me like 30 minutes to do it on my other run. That was so easy. Alright, well. Where did you even come from?
What the?
What the? Oh, wait, I already went that way. I could go up, but I'm gonna go put in that thing. can't wait for the liquor to be here. Actually, I don't know if the liquor spawns here. If it is on standard. I only know it spawns in hardcore. Okay, and now 203, which obviously I don't have yet, and 208. Might as well grab it while I'm here. 208. Alright.